Are the ads in the BlueStacks 5 annoying you or slowing down your experience? In this video, I show you the 100% working method to disable the ads in BlueStacks 5 in 2025. Follow the steps carefully and your BlueStacks will run much cleaner and smoother. First, open the BlueStacks 5 and click on the gear icon and go to Preferences. Allow BlueStacks to show ads during gameplay. Just turn it off and select Disable option. Show featured banner on start. Turn it off. Open BlueStacks Store on start. Turn it off. Upload video recording to the cloud automatically. Turn it off. And now select the Save Changes option. Close and reopen the BlueStacks file. Your ads should now be drastically reduced or fully removed. And that's how you can disable ads in BlueStacks 5 in 2025 using the working method. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tech guides. If you have any issues, drop a comment. I'll make a video to fix it for you.